Hello everyone, it's Emily and I want to make a quick video showing you how to train a pea plant to a trellis just in case it's gotten away from it. It'll happen sometimes if you don't plant the pea seed close enough to the trellis. It will not, the little tendrils will not be able to reach your trellis, and so you'll have to kind of lean the plant toward the trellis and then tie it on. Or sometimes if the plants are growing close to each other, they'll start to grab onto each other with the tendrils instead of onto the actual trellis. Or sometimes there might be a storm and the wind will blow so hard, or not even a storm, but a really windy day could blow the plant really so hard that the tendril would actually rip off your trellis. And in order to give it extra support and make sure it stays strong and doesn't get ripped apart in the next big gusty day, you probably want to tie it up. And what you do is you just get a string, and here's a pro tip. At cleanup time, cleaning up the garden at the end of every season, if I have any string left that is still usable, still long enough, I will cut it, and I have a place where I store it, so it save money on using string. So what you want to do is, on the trellis side, wrap the string around it like that, and then go around like that, so it's kind of looped together. If you only do it this way, like that, the stem could possibly slip up out of it. So that's why you want to start from the back, per your orientation, like that, and just kind of loop it around once. Okay, so that way it can't escape. And then you just simply tie it to your trellis. And this nylon string, I find, requires 3 knots really to stay really well. Now you want to be gentle. That's another tip. When you're looping around the stem and when you're tying it to the trellis, don't pull too tight, because you know what can happen if you pull too tight. Right? We want to be gentle. Just make sure it's, yeah. And that's it. See, if you can see there, here, I'll pick up the camera now. It's pretty loose. It's pretty loose, but it is firm enough so that it is not going to go anywhere. So that's it. That is how to train your pea to a trellis when it's gotten away from it. If you've appreciated this gardening tip, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet for lots more gardening tips just like this one. Thank you for watching, and like this video if it helped you. Share it with your gardening friends. I'll see you for the next video. In the meantime, very, very happy gardening to you.